Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am trying something new. Everybody loves like the craft with me videos. So I have put together a kit. It will come to you like this. I will be selling some on Etsy. If you don't feel comfortable dealing with Etsy, you can just email me and we'll work out a way to get these to you. And I'm going to be selling them at a very reasonable price. It's just pay for my products and the shipping. And then what I have done, and I have finished these videos already. They are downloaded onto my YouTube. All I have to do is release them. So as soon as a couple of people buy these, I'm going to release those videos. And there is 20 videos of crafting with me, turning this into a journal. And at the end, I wound up with one little fabric snippet and I think a couple of little pieces of paper. And I have the journal there. I'm not going to show you. You got to watch the video. Yeah, 20 videos of crafting with me. And then one at the end is the the flip through. So you get to see what the journal looks like. And I want to see what your journals look like. So if you have a YouTube channel, I would love it if you did it on video, or if you just want to send me pictures of your finished projects, I would love it if you would do that. But yeah, there's some finished cards in here. There's everything. So my first video, it shows you everything that it has on my Etsy. You can see pictures of it. Yeah, but that's what it is. It comes in this envelope and it's pretty thick and heavy, and it comes with one of my bead charms, like to hang onto your journal. It comes with one finished. There's lots of goodies in here, lots of surprises, and it will make a whole journal. All you need is your glue, your tape. You may want to add some stamps and things, but really with my journal that I did not add anything else, just what was in here. So yeah, go to my Etsy. It's listed there already, and I will put the link down below. I will put my email down below, and we'll go from there. And I hope you guys like it, and I enjoyed it so much. And yeah, craft with me. It's called Craft with Me Journal Kit, and then it's like 1, 2, and then it goes to 20. And yeah, so we will see you later. God bless you all, and I hope you order one. I'm so excited. My first journal kit, so I'm so excited, and I hope you guys support me in this and have fun with me. Thank you. Bye.